Hello and welcome back to the next video. Now this video we're going to cover MasterCraft AI. Now MasterCraft helps you create better prompts. So make sure that you've added in your API key. So what I'm going to do is add the prompt in here. So I would like the prompt to help me create sales pages. I'm going to generate. So the system is going away now, and as you can see, it's given you a really nice in-depth prompt to help you create better sales pages. Okay, and if you want to use that, you just copy that and put that into ChatGPT. So thanks for watching. Watch the next video.